the name comes from the combustion process is happening inside of the combustion chamber ማለት ካሊ ነገር ነው combustion ዝካየድሲ after ውሽጥ internal combustion chamber ስለዝኾነ internal combustion engine ይናገር two types of engines we have the external engine or external combustion engine and internal combustion engine so the external ነው ካፍቲ engine ወይም ካፍቲ combustion chamber ወጻኢ combustion ይካየድ the internal combustion engine after ውሽጥ engine combustion ይካየድ ቀታና ኮምባስት ምግባርስ ታምቅጥጻል ተካይደሉ ቦታ መፍለላይ አሊ so since this one is the internal combustion engine the components of the internal combustion engine let's start from the bottom to the upper direction okay so from the bottom كلنا abzi oil panel I think you're going to see somewhere on the engine the real engine as the prototype so in this model we do have the pan that pan is oil pan oil ዝቕመጠሉ ቦታ ማለት okay so oil ንምንታይ ዝቕመጥ ኢና ክንረእ ከለና it uses for the lubrication system of the overall components of the engine the overall the engine component lubricate ክግበርሎ ስለዚህ ዘይት ዝቕመጠሉ ዘይት ካብዚ ይርጫል Mr. Tamalis Yirichal, Tamalis Arab. So in such a surface, bottom surface, we have oil pan. Okay. Then after oil pan, we have the second shaft, which irregular shape.